Hi, everyone. Welcome to Sparkle Feathers TV. I'm Princess Francie, and today we're talking about the magic of science. Did you know I used to fix giant airplanes for the military? I loved working with electricity and electronics. It's like playing with lightning. Sometimes experiments don't work the first time, but in science, we never say, I can't do it. That's not the Sparkle Feathers way. We say, I can't do it yet. That little word changes everything. It means you're just getting started on a new discovery. Science is just exploring and asking, what if? Every mistake is just a new discovery waiting to happen. So let's get curious. Let's try a sparkling affirmation. Repeat after me. I am a scientist. I love to discover. Now go out there, experiment, and let your sparkle shine. See you next time on Sparkle Feathers TV. Bye.